Chief of Naga Army, all rank and file. And ladies and gentlemen, I thank God Almighty, the refuge of our Naga people, for His divine providence that has sustained us this far and helping us to withstand the forces of our enemies, all through these years. Firstly, I convey the apology, the regret of our president, who could not be here today because he is out of station to celebrate this 73rd Naga Independence Day function as he is out of station. And I am Jeange Yanlem. I am the General Secretary of Eastern Nagaland People Union Dimapur. I am the General Secretary of ENPOD Dimapur Unit. And I stand here on behalf of our president and the people of ENPO. The ENPO, we consist of 6 tribes, and though we are very much far behind the other Naga tribes, in the course of Naga freedom struggles, we have embarked into the struggle arena with thicks and thorns. Our people also has contributed sweat and blood. And for the Naga freedom, it is written clearly in the history of a Naga freedom movement. Now, the very confusing, something that is very confusing to all of us, and I would like to state on that. And with the due permission from the chair, I would like to share in Nagamese, because this is something that I feel that all of us should understand. Our stand. ENPO stands, what we are standing for. This is something that I would like to all of us to understand, to know and to understand. So I will continue my speech in Nagamese for the convenience of everyone here. Coalition ENPO kanpra amigan ENPO laga states kanpra ENPO laga amihan laga district pra kiman amihan laga state kani contribute kuna aishe freedom struggle kani naga kando naga manundo manung laga nijide natagibo naga do free ase kuna suru ha time pra freedom struggle time pra kiman naga logot eki logot amihan ENPO manung contribute kuna aishe itu to clearly written ase itu clearly chani ase tate emphasize nuguribo olibi ekta sok logot confused kora laga sok kora na bucha laga ekta topic te moi aji itu de emphasize problem one ase, that is the demand for the statehood amihan laga ENPO para statehood ekta demand kora laga itu de ki ase itu laga amihan laga stand ami janai di problem one ase. Amihan laga 4 districts ase, aro it is about 40% of Nagaland geographical area ground do itu amihan ENPO district kanpra ENPO area pra cover kuri. Olivi amigan we are very much way behind others. Amigan Naga machote olivi amigan do way behind ase. Itu pra amigan laga machote amigan laga administration amigan nijor pra kurubunigi amigan nijor pra promote kurubunigi amigan laga standard of living amigan pra promote kurubunigi amigan laga lifestyle lo amigan pra change kurule parabonigi kuna amigan laga statehood laga demand itu ase. It is nothing against the ongoing dog. Aro Naga political dog ki ase itu la totally itu the echo against naide kuna ami itu the karagurina achi itu koidi ase. It is purely to do with the domestic issue. It is something that is related to kitchen amigan laga choka laga issue ekta ase kuna itu koidi ase. Aro coalition amigan laga concern amigan laga naga political talk laga concern amigan bra itu to stop unite hobona kurubolage guna, and it is because of that we have taken the initiative. Recently we have taken the initiative to approach to all the Naga political groups to come together under one umbrella and to talk and to share ekilot share kurigina Naga political groups kan kiman ase amigan ekilot share kurigina ekilot ekta solution, permanent, long-lasting solution anibunigi guna amigan approach kura amigan laga ENPO laga itu approach tagishe. Still on this day, I would like to appeal to all the groups, to all the Naga leaders to unite, ekilot unite wina ekilot ahigina ekilot understanding kurina across the table talk kurina ami alaga permanent solution do aniunigi kuna nakalaga itu laga talk te GOI de ki talk kuri ase itu de ENPO kan full support ase as we were before we are still ami an full ase ENPO do eko ami an statehood laga demand kura eko ami an laga defer honai de kuna itu clear ekta koi de ase. Once again, we salute all the Naga national workers here today for the sacrifices that you have given for the people of Naga. You have spent sleepless nights so that we could sleep in peace. You have remained hungry so that we could be filled. You have given up your freedom so that we could bring freedom to the land. We look up to you and believe that with a strong relationship, with your strong relationship with God above, you could lead the people of Naga like Moses did. Moses led the Israelites through the Red Seas and through the desert. And one day, very soon, we will overcome. I would like to end my speech with one Bible verse. It is from the book of Deuteronomy 7:6-8. For you are the holy people to the Lord your God. The Lord has chosen you to be the people for himself, a special treasure above all the people on the face of the earth. The Lord did not set his eyes on you, nor use you, because you were more in number than any other people, for you were the least of all the people. But because the Lord loves you, and because he would give the oath which is swore to his father, the Lord has brought you out with mighty hands and redeemed you from the house of bondage and from the hand of Pharaoh, king of Egypt. I would like to end with the last passage. This is from the book of Psalms 33:12. Happy is the nation whose God is the Lord, for he Jews for his inheritance. Kugnalin.
Thank you so much, Mr. M. Jeange Yanlem, General Secretary of ENPO Dimapur. We are deeply appreciative once again for your wonderful and fervent speech. Now we have
sing our song together. Nagas, come, raise your voices. Sing our song together. Towards our rightful place through darling, yes, nothing. Long and true, hold on fast to our rights and freedom. No peace, let this forever be ours. Sing our song together. Nagas, come, raise your voices. Sing our rightful place through. Healing of the Spirit. Kugnaling, yes, kugnaling. On the mark is now. Nagaland forever be. Sing our song together. Nagas, come, raise your voices. Sing our song together. us our rightful place true, healing of our spirit, good loving, yes, good loving.
This day we gather, we are one. We build our future, save our land. Thousand faces, one vision. United we stand, divided we fall. With one voice we march together. With one home, with one dream, with one vision, we keep on working to fulfill our long cherished dream. There will be struggles, there will be fights, there will be hard times, hearts gone dry. We have no fear, come what may, we'll face it together in unity. With one voice we'll march together. With one home, with one dream, with one vision, we keep on working to fulfill our long cherished dream. Wake up, oh people, it's time to rise. There's no gain if there's no pain. Find walk with courage and armor of love. Truth shall one day set us free. With one voice we march together.